Hello and welcome to the weekly manifesting report with the angels for December 13th through December 19th, 2021. I'm Rachel Avalon. I'm a spiritual coach, angel channel, and angel healer, and I work very closely with the angels to help spiritual women to manifest the success, the freedom, the abundance that they know they were born for. So how this works is I'm going to give you an overview for the week ahead for the energy that's most important to focus on for manifesting your goals and dreams. And then we're going to get into numbers 1, 2, and 3 that's going to give you more specific information for you personally. So go ahead and choose numbers 1, 2, or 3 and let me know what you chose below. The angels are letting you know that this is an important time to take a look at and really be honest with yourself about anything that might be holding you back, weighing you down from fully expressing yourself, fully expressing your truth, fully stepping into that next level of power. Anything that might be holding you back from shining your light as brightly as possible. It might be something subtle. It might be something subtle going on in the background. It might be an energy. It might be something more unconscious that needs to come to light at this time. The angels are fully supporting you and guiding you as you take a look at this, as you look at it honestly and reflect on it, as you make the shifts and changes, and as you release whatever that is that has been holding you back and weighing heavy on your energy field. There is a powerful full moon coming up on Sunday, which is also supporting you and releasing this heaviness, releasing this old stagnant energy that has been keeping you playing smaller than you'd like, and that has been stopping you from fully expanding into your power, fully expanding into your purpose. And this full moon is even more potent at this time because we're coming up to the solstice on the 21st. So it's kind of back to back with the solstice. So this is a really magical time to shed the weight of the past, shed anything that's been holding you back, and open up to these new levels of freedom. And the angels are helping you to do this. If you would like guidance on how to work with this full moon energy and the angels together to manifest your goals faster, go ahead and check out my free guide that gives you a powerful full moon ritual that I have used many times over to help me accomplish some of my biggest life goals. It also gives you information on which angels to work with and how to work with them during the moon cycles. The link for that is below. I also want to let you guys know that I am celebrating the doors opening for my Quantum Manifestation 6-week program. There have been some amazing women already joining the program. We get started on the 11th of January. If you feel called, if you feel guided to work with the angels on a deeper level to manifest the levels of success and abundance and freedom and impact that you know you are meant for, then come on and join us. There's a special offer of 50% off at the moment. You can check that out below. So now let's get into the messages for numbers 1, 2, and 3. If you chose number 1, this is all about being true to yourself. And this comes to you from Archangel Gabriel, and he's letting you know that it is safe for you at this time to fully express your truth, to fully express your creativity, to fully express your spirituality and your spiritual gifts, and all of the amazing ideas and insights that you have. So if you're feeling held back or hesitant with expressing yourself, whether that's in relationships, whether that's with your creativity, whether that's within your career, whatever that is, Archangel Gabriel wants you to call upon him, and he's going to help you to feel more confident in expressing this truth, in expressing your feelings. And maybe it's even to do with expressing your desires to yourself. He's letting you know that it's safe to express your desires, to really delve into what you truly desire, to dream even bigger at this time. And it's okay to admit to yourself if you really want to call in the next level. Maybe your logical mind has been getting in the way, saying, no, that's not possible. Don't even go there. Don't even look at that, because how are you even going to get to that next level of abundance or success or manifest the things that you really, really, really know you want and are meant for deep down? Archangel Gabriel is saying that this is a time to not hold back. Really delve into this and let yourself feel the emotions of what you desire. Feel what your heart and soul truly are calling you to do. Freedom of expression is what it's all about for you this week. So make sure to take some time to allow yourself to express yourself on a deeper level, whether that's journaling, whether that's even dancing or doing anything creative. Look at where you might be holding yourself back and expressing your feelings in your relationships as well. All of this is important for you to look at this time so that you can Be true to your unique self. This is what's going to help accelerate the path to achieving the goals and dreams that you most desire. If you chose number 2, this is all about focusing on love. And this message comes to you from Archangel Samuel, and he's letting you know that he's helping you to open your heart to receive even greater amounts of love. He's saying that this week is such an important time for healing anything that might be weighing heavy on your heart. And he's also talking about truly appreciating yourself. So first and foremost, sending more love to yourself. He wants you to look at where you're not fully appreciating yourself and recognizing how amazing you are. He's reminding you that you are so powerful, and he wants you to really work with appreciating yourself, being proud of yourself, recognizing your immense value on a level that's deeper than before. So take some time this week to look at and reflect upon where are you not fully appreciating yourself? Where are you maybe looking at your faults, focusing more on your faults, focusing more on your shortcomings, beating yourself up for not being as far along as you want to be, maybe not accomplishing the task that you want to accomplish, maybe not feeling as organized as you want, not having achieved the goals and dreams to the level that you want. All this kind of stuff is really taking away from appreciating ourselves. It's looking at things from more of a lack mentality. It's focusing on what we lack. It's actually a form of criticism for ourselves, and that is a lower vibration. That is fear-based energy, and it is the opposite of love. So he wants you to really pay attention to this week and be honest with yourself. Where are you not fully loving yourself? Where are you not fully honoring yourself? And it's time to switch that up. Time to shift out of that and to replace that with more love and acceptance and appreciation of yourself. And this is going to be the path to accelerating your goals and dreams at this time. If you chose number 3, this message is all about trusting the answers that are already within you. And this message comes to you from Archangel Uriel. He's reminding you that you already have all of the answers and information that you need, that your intuition is spot on, and it's really time to trust it. If you're feeling like you can't quite trust the answers that you already have, this is a time to release fears around that, release confusion around that, release overwhelm. So you can give that over to the angels and allow this clarity of vision to come through. Archangel Uriel is reminding you to trust the intuitive nudges that you're receiving, trust the signs that you are receiving. He's saying that you are getting all of the guidance and the answers that you are asking for. So it's a matter of just tuning in and trusting those. The more that you trust your connection with the angels and the universe, the more you're going to relax, which allows for more and more information and intuitive guidance to actually come through. It allows for this flow energy to come through so that you can be in the flow, which is exactly what you need to be able to manifest your goals and dreams. This is what you need to be able to quantum leap, is to feel expansiveness, is to feel relaxed about your goals, is to feel in that uplifting energy, that energy of feeling excitement and anticipation. So as you trust yourself and as you trust the angels and the universe more, you're gonna get even more answers and clarity. So it's kind of exponential. So definitely take some time to go within, to meditate, to connect with the angels. If you have an altar, you can light a candle, say a prayer, and ask for the answers to come through and that you understand them clearly, and trust and know that the answers that you need are being shown to you at this time. So those are all the messages from this week. I hope you enjoyed them. Make sure to let me know if you chose 1, 2, or 3 below. And don't forget to check out the free guide on manifesting with the angels and the moon, as well as the Quantum Manifestation 6-week program to take your manifesting to the next level with the angels. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing week. Sending tons of full moon blessings to you. See you guys next week.